Doop, 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 doop. Well, hello, Jody. My name's Blockhead. I guess you know, Tony. He's subscribed to your site. He got a couple of them, Kutzall burs today, and decided he's gonna try it out, and they come up with me. I'm not too sure why he stuck his stick up my behind, but, well, you can see the look on my face. I'm not too thrilled about it. Anyway, he wanted me to give you a shout out, and, he really enjoys your videos. I hadn't saw one yet, but, I'm going to, so, you take care, Jordy, alright? Bye-bye! Oh, thanks again, though. Alright, see ya!
It's called Manzanita, Jordy. That's what that little spirit is that I carved out that's on my wall. I'm not even gonna coat it because it's too dark.
This is the wood spirit. The luck of the forest. Do not enter the forest without a wood spirit for protection. The wood spirit will protect you in the darkest, deepest forest.
Well, Jordy, I finally got my indoor workbench area. Nice lit up, freaking nice little bench. Oh, look, I found this piece of pine in my many hordes of piles. It was pretty much shaped like a tree.
Check it out. Penthouse bird. Looks like an outhouse for birds, but whatever. It's got a little fence.
I want to do Jordan.
Right, well you can say hi to Grumpy Jessee.
Grumpy Jessee, stop being a ninja.
Hi!
Stop being a grumpy ninja. Say
Grumpy Jessee's been a grumpy ninja.
Who you calling a grumpy ninja? Not me. Goodbye.
What the hell?
what, please?
Right, do you want to say hi to Jordy?
Yeah.
You say hi to Jordy.
Hi, Jordy.
You want to tell Jordy what you think of Grumpy Jessee?
I like Grumpy Jessee. I like jewelry carving. I love it so much. It's fun.
Well, I like you too. You're my Ireland friends, okay? Goodbye.
It's really fun, isn't it?
I love the videos.
Yeah, Jordy's videos are brilliant, aren't they?
Grumpy Jessee. Maybe someday you could come to our house. This is my sister, Lara.
Yeah. That's his big Rocco, Jordy. That's my wee son, Rocco. And that's my wee girl, Lara. And we all love Carbon Fusion. Everybody say 1, 2, 3. We love Carbon Fusion. 1, 2, 3.
I love Carbon Fusion. I hate Carbon Fusion.
Listen to that wee shit, Jordy.
That's right. I'm the ninja again. Can you see me? No, you can't. But can you see me? No, you can't. Laura, can you see me? No, you can't. Bet you can, but you can't.